From 7.1, last question. This is,
So, seventh question.
you want the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
The rest of the students, better kindly draw the figure for question number 8.
After this question, can you re-explain the exercise 6.2 question here? मैम वो रे वाला मैम लाइट when the light intersects.
Okay. Tell me if you've done.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just going to draw the figure by looking at what is given to me in the statement. They are saying there is a right triangle ABC, right angled at C. So you start with the right triangle and the 90-degree angle is to be marked at C. So let us say, इन्होंने इस तरफ draw किया है. I'm just keeping in mind जो figure उन्होंने already दी है उस तरह से draw कर लेते हैं. A right triangle, C पे 90-degree angle है. So A and B could be anywhere if you're marking it yourself. A they have shown here, B they have shown here, B C is the base as per the figure. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. AB का midpoint जो है वो M है. So there is a point M. ये midpoint है means these two parts are equal. ये clear है, right triangle है ABC, C पे 90-degree angle बन रहा है. M point AB पे है वो midpoint है. तो दो parts बन रहे हैं वो equal होंगे. AM, MB they will be equal. After that C को उन्होंने join किया है M के साथ and produce किया है D तक. So what they did, they have drawn a line segment joining C to M and they have extended it. इसको इस तरह से extend किया है point D तक so that CM and MD are equal. C से M तक जितना distance है उतना ही M से D तक है. उसके बाद उन्होंने BD को join किया है and this is how the figure is formed. इस तरह से figure draw किया. Tell me if it is clear how the figure has been drawn. आपको दी हुई है तो आपके पास advantage है. There are 4 parts you want to prove. The first one says prove that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. Yes, there is.
Ma'am, BM and MA is equal.
Yes.
BM and MC is equal.
Yes.
And vertical opposite angles are formed at M.
Yes, we could take the vertically opposite angles. The triangles we want to prove congruent are these two, AMC and BMD. I already have shown ये एक pair of sides equal है, ये वाला pair of sides equal है, and there is saying कि ये हम vertically opposite angles भी लिख सकते हैं, equal हो जाएंगे. Which rule will be applicable?
Side
angle side से हमारा first part हो जाएगा. ये तो बहुत easy है. उसके बाद वो कह रहे हैं prove करो DBC is a right angle. ये वाला जो angle बन रहा है ये एक right angle बन रहा है. Angle B का measure जो है ये 90 degree prove करना है आपको. Let us write the answer for the first part. उसके बाद हम आगे continue करते हैं. Quickly write down what's given to you and what you want to prove. And then start with your proof. Describe the figure as such. Triangle ABC, angle C equals to 90 degrees. M is the midpoint of AB. तो इसका मीनिंग होगा AM and MB are equal. CM is equal to MD. That's it. To prove first part, the triangles we want to prove congruent. AM is equal to BM. This is a given. Then we have CM equals to DM. This is also given. Then we have angle 2 equals to angle 1. These are vertically opposite angles. Let me know once you have written this. Anyone who is writing down, please raise your hand. Note it down. Can we continue? Now, once these two triangles are congruent, this congruence actually has extreme importance for doing the remaining parts. आपके इस question के जो बाकी के parts हैं, especially the second and the third one, उसमें इस congruence की help लेनी है हमने. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, that means इनके corresponding parts equal होंगे. If these two triangles are congruent, कुछ parts तो हमने यहाँ already mark कर दिए कि equal हैं. इसके अलावा भी जो remaining parts हैं वो equal होंगे. So I'm just going to write those down, and the ones I need in the next part, मैं सिर्फ वही वाले लिख रही हूँ. वैसे तो बाकी सारे equal होंगे, सिर्फ जो required हैं अगले वाले parts में I'm going to write down those. I'm taking this angle. Look at the one I'm marking in the figure. For now, if I consider these two parts equal, CPCT से मैंने यही वाले दो angles क्यों लिए? Look at the two vertical lines and this one. आपके पास यहाँ पे DB है, यहाँ पे AC है. If these two angles are equal, look at their position. अभी मैंने लिखा angle 3 equals to angle 4. Can you tell me which pair of angles they are forming here? Alternate interior angles. So this actually is a pair of alternate interior angles. Pair of alternate interior angles is equal. And what does that imply? What can I conclude?
That BD and AC are parallel.
The lines which were forming those angles, ये जो vertical वाली दो lines हैं, ये आपस में क्या होंगी? Parallel होंगी. So DB is actually parallel to AC. Tell me if this is clear. This makes sense.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm using this parallel line pair. ये वाला pair मैं दोबारा use कर रही हूँ. DB and AC. The transversal that I'm considering this time is the one on the base. ये वाली transversal. ये जो bottom पे है. What can you say about these two angles?
Ma'am, co-interior.
These are co-interior angles. DBC plus ACB will be equal to 180 degrees. Before we continue further, tell me if you're clear till here. जो फर्स्ट पार्ट में कॉन्ग्रुएंस प्रूव की, उस कॉन्ग्रुएंस में से मैंने एंगल 3 और 4 पिक किए. बिकॉज ऑफ दोज टू एंगल्स बीइंग इक्वल, 3 और 4 इक्वल होने के कारण वो जो वर्टिकल वाली लाइंस थी वो आपस में पैरेलल होंगी. Once those two lines are parallel, ये जो बॉटम पे B और C पे एंगल्स बन रहे हैं, को इंटीरियर एंगल्स बनते हैं और इनका सम क्या होगा? 180 डिग्रीज होगा.
80 degrees.
यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू मुझे पहले से 90 डिग्रीज दी हुई है. आई एम गिवन C पे जो एंगल बन रहा है वो 90 डिग्री का बन रहा है. सो एंगल DBC का मेजर क्या आ गया यहाँ से?
90 degree.
90 degree. So this is the proof for the second part of the question. With the help of the congruence I did in first part. उसके बिना हम ये कर नहीं सकते थे. Again, the figures are for your reference, just to understand. Please ensure अगर आप ये separate figures नहीं draw कर रहे, जितने angles मैं यहाँ पे mark करूंगी, आप वहाँ original figure में जरूर mark करना. I will try to do the same. I will keep marking, but in case I miss. Tell me if the second part is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for the third part, you want to prove the congruence of triangles BBC and ACB. So third part, the triangles we want to prove congruent. कौन-कौन से ट्राइंगल्स बनेंगे यहाँ से आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. एक ट्राइंगल बनेगा ये वाला DCD, and the other one would be this one, ABC. Can you think of the pairs which will be equal in these two triangles so that we can prove them congruent?
Angle 3 and 4.
Angle 3 and angle 4, but बेटा angle 3 यहाँ बना था D पे, angle 4 यहाँ बना था, वो यहाँ नहीं शो हो रहा. It's ACD. ACD तो कहीं पे भी नहीं है.
Ma'am,
Think of
BC
something
is
else.
common.
BC
Yes,
is
ma'am,
common.
BC
Okay,
is
base
common.
common है. ये तो आसान सी चीज है. चलो.
And ma'am, B and C are both 90 degree and both are right angles.
Right angles, two
And
pairs.
DB and AC are parallel.
Parallel नहीं, equal चाहिए हमें.
Ma'am,
Yes.
AB and DC.
How? I told you कि जो first वाली congruence है वो important है. हम वापस जाएं उसके पास, first congruence के पास. Take a look. First congruence जो prove किया आपने, ये दो triangles congruent prove किए थे. Can I write down these two vertical lines equal?
Yes, ma'am.
CPCT? I'm again
Yes,
using
ma'am.
the congruence and I'm writing down CPCT to have these vertical lines equal to each other. They are parallel, मैं prove कर चुकी हूँ, but parallel होना मुझे congruence में help नहीं करता, मुझे इनकी equality चाहिए. Equality भी already exist कर रही है, मैंने कहीं लिखा नहीं था. Right? So I'm going to use this congruence again. ये वाली congruence को हम दोबारा use करेंगे. From this congruence by CPCT, DB and AC will be equal, which will give me the third pair in these two triangles. And then my triangles will be congruent. Tell me if it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
जिन triangles को आपको यहाँ पे congruent prove करना है third part में, base common है, 90 degree का angle बन रहा है. एक 90 डिग्री मुझे दिया था, दूसरा 90 डिग्री मैंने अभी प्रूव किया. दो चीजें हो गई. जो थर्ड कंडीशन मुझे मिलनी थी, मैं वापस फर्स्ट कॉन्ग्रुएंस से लेके आई. Got it? So let's write this down. From first part where I proved triangles AMC congruent to triangle BMD, I can conclude that AC is equal to BD. Vertical lines. Now in these two triangles, triangles BBC and triangle ACB, DB is equal to AC. ये भी प्रूव किया मैंने ऊपर. Then angle DBC is equal to angle ACB. Both these angles have a measure of 90 degree each. Along with that, the base of the triangles is common. Which rule will be applicable?
By
SAS.
RHS.
Check.
RHS.
Do we have the hypotenuse equal?
Ma'am, SAS.
SAS.
Yes.
SAS.
Yes.
No, hypotenuse for now are not equal. अभी equal नहीं है. Congruence से पहले equal नहीं है. RHS तब यूज होता अगर हम hypotenuse वाली condition use करके congruence तक पहुंचते. If you use equal hypotenuses to prove the congruence, तो आपका RHS rule होने के chances थे. यहाँ पे तो अभी use ही नहीं किया हमने hypotenuse. So it will not be RHS, it will be SAS. Triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB.
Ma'am, it means for RHS rule, hypotenuse should be equal always.
Yes, they should be equal before the congruence.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me if it is clear till here. अपने लिए यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन के साथ नोट लिख लो कि पहली कॉन्ग्रुएंस इंपॉर्टेंट है नीचे वाले पार्ट्स करने के लिए. उसके बिना नहीं हो सकता। सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए भी फर्स्ट कॉन्ग्रुएंस की जरूरत थी, थर्ड पार्ट के लिए भी फर्स्ट कॉन्ग्रुएंस की जरूरत थी। Now the last part, you have to prove CM equals to half of AB. This is related to third part. I'm just going to write this down and then we will discuss. Keep looking at the screen, the triangles that I have here. ये वाला जो point था यहाँ पे, ये M था, जहाँ पे ये hypotenuses intersect कर रहे हैं, वो M point है. So if I had to show M on both, originally उन्होंने कहा था ये वाले दो parts equal हैं और ये equal हैं. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ये starting में mark किया था हमने figure में. अब from this congruence, I'm concluding that DC equals to AB. The hypotenuses are equal by CPCT. The triangles are congruent, therefore all their matching parts will be equal. Hypotenuse जो होंगे वो equal होंगे. If these line segments are equal, then their halves will also be equal. दोनों की length अगर 10 centimeters है, तो दोनों का half भी कितना होगा? Equal होगा. Can you tell me what are the halves for DC? DC के जो दो half हैं, उनका क्या name है?
DM and
MC.
DM or CM.
DM or CM. And this is the result we want to prove. Tell me if it is clear.
Yes,
Excuse
ma'am.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Gunru.
Ma'am, can we do it like this? That DC equals to AB, the hypotenuse are same, and we can write the DC DM plus CM equals to AB. Then we can take on place of DM we can take CM, and
Yes.
2 CM. Then we can take 2 to that side.
Exactly, you can take that. वो भी ठीक है. Okay. For today, you will just revise this question. I will share the answer for this so you can complete it. And it actually is important. ये भी important.